Hello, I'm Ryan Valzan with CFM Distributors, and today we're going to be looking at our parts lookup tool. To get started, we're going to sign in. And then when we're logged in, we'll go up here at the tools in the top right and do parts lookup. And over here on the side, we'll enter our serial number that we want to find the parts for. And with that, it gives you a listing of all the parts available for that model number's serial number. The parts in blue and with cart icons are available for purchase. We can add them to our cart just right here. And that's been how to use our CFM parts lookup tool. Thank you.